Hey ladies, it's October and Beauty Over 40 is focusing on Breast Cancer Awareness Month. If you have not had your mammogram yet, please make your appointment now. Here are the clips from this month's participants. Please remember to go to my description box to get the links to their channel so that you can support them in their efforts. They all worked very hard this month to honor breast cancer awareness. So let's support them as well. Thank you. So here I have a package with friend mail from Julia from Accessorize Your Life channel. She sent me this package in August when I had surgery, but I was ill for several weeks and I could not do anything with it at the time. To start off, there's this lovely card, and inside there was a sample of Versace's Aero Flame. I also received this Lancôme sample, La Vie est Belle, which means life is beautiful. And here is a tube of Lipstick Queen, and the shade is called Little Red Convertible. And from Shiseido, I have the cotton facial pads. There is also this beautiful towel that says Hello Gorgeous. It's so pretty. It has all the little cute makeup products on it. It's so cute, I don't want to use it, Julia. And from Anastasia Beverly Hills, I have their Mini Pro Pigment Palette Volume 1. And these are the shades. The shades do not have names, but they're beautiful and bright. And I saw these pinks and I thought it would be perfect for this look. So here I'm carving out and cleaning up my eyebrows after using the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil in shade number 4. And I'm using the LA Pro Girl Concealer in Warm Honey. As my eyeshadow base today, I'll be using the one from Pretty Vulgar. I like to tap this in and then dry it down before applying any shadows. So to begin, I'm going to use this deep pink shade here in the corner. And I'm applying this right above the crease, and then I'm going to blow it out all the way to my brow bone. To blow out means to blend and pull the shade up higher or lower. It depends on the look you're trying to achieve. Next, I'm going to get a little bit of this grape shade and I'm going to apply this to the outer third of my eye. I did have some fallout, so I'm just going to clean up the area a little bit. Now I'm going to pull that grape shade into my crease and socket area and blend well. Now I'm going to pick up some of this soft pink glitter shade and apply that with my finger. I have a lot of fallout from this shade as well. Now with a fluffy blending brush, I'm going to blend these shades where they meet. I've just removed my Skin 111 from my mini fridge, and I'm going to apply that now as my moisturizer. Today I'll be using my Il Makiage primer. I'm going to blend that into my complexion and let it set up. As my foundation, I'll be using the Il Makiage Woke Up Like This, and this is in shade number 370. Now it's time for my highlighting concealer, and again I'll be using the LA Pro Girl concealer, which is a full coverage concealer. The shade is Warm Honey. To blend the concealer into my complexion, I'll be using my Avene Thermal Water Spray on my e.l.f. Camouflage Concealer Sponge. I did have to go back and apply concealer to my marionette lines. I like to use the concealer there because my lines are deep. So to camouflage that, I use the concealer and it lightens that area and my complexion looks a little bit more smooth. Now I'll be using the Crayon Case setting powder in shade Y. Unfortunately, you will not see me use my bronzer or see me do my winged eyeliner look. I forgot to cut the camera on. I apologize. Now I'll be using this very light, almost gold shimmer as my highlight. Now I'm going to go back into the grape shade and put that under my waterline. On my waterline, I used the LA Colors gel pencil in a light pink. Now I'm going to spray down my unit. This is a 20-inch deep wave. I've had this unit going on 2 years. It'll be 2 years in December. I absolutely love it. This is some really nice hair. It has more than paid for itself because I've used it in many videos, as well as wearing it out and to church. Oh my goodness, which lash is right and which is left? I finally figured it out. And I told you guys how to do it as well. The lashes for the inner corner are much shorter than the outer corner, so it didn't take long for me to figure it out. I'm using the Duo Lash Adhesive, and this is the quick set. It doesn't take very long to set up at all. For my lippy, I'm using one by Nicka K. This is a bright fuchsia pink and the number is 800. Now let's pull this look together. I guess you say it's about time. So here guys, I thought that I had on a little bit too much blush with all the pink going on, so I just took a fluffy brush and just kind of blended it down a little bit. So now I want to give that Nicka K 800 a little bit of shine. So I'm using a Jeffree Star lip gloss, and this is shade number 39, which is called Lord Star. I've been itching to try out these gems that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. So why not on this look? The gems came with some super glue. That's a big no-no for me. I was going to use the duo glue, but found out that they were already tacky. So since this is just for this makeup look and I won't be wearing them long, I applied it without any glue at all. I measured out 6 stones, which was about the length of my wing liner, and then I just tore it with my fingers and applied it. So now guys, I have completed my look for Breast Cancer Awareness Month. I hope that you have enjoyed watching this video as I have enjoyed bringing it to you. Please remember to go visit all of the other ladies' channels to watch their videos. Their links will be in my description box area. Thank you so much. I love you. Please come back on the last Tuesday of next month for another Beauty Over 40 look.